So how often should you lube your chain? Well, it's going to depend on a few factors like rain, sand and dust, but generally it's a good idea to do it as soon as you hear your chain starting to make squeaking sounds. Usually this is every 200 kilometers of riding or so. One thing that I like to do before lubing my chain is to wipe it off so that chain wear is minimized and the lube can function more effectively. Just taking an old rag is fine, but it is still important to wash your chain properly with soap or degreaser once every week or two, depending on how much you ride. This will increase the longevity of your chain and there will be less friction when riding. I've tried many different lubes over the years and I can honestly say that squirt lube is by far the best as it doesn't make the chain greasy and it's eco-friendly. It is ideal to lube your chain on the inside as this is where the chain makes contact with the other components of your bike. There isn't a need to wipe off the excess lube as the more lube you have on the chain, the less frequently you have to lube it up again. So therefore wiping off the excess is simply a waste of lube. So when you're training sane, don't forget to lube your chain. If you like my content and you feel you've received value from it, feel free to donate whatever value you feel you've received. Your donations help me to keep doing what I love and to create better shit. Thanks for the support.